Alright, welcome back to the channel. We have a 06 Jeep Wrangler. It's the Golden Eagle. It's a 4-liter. We are going to be doing plugs and a new coil pack. I think, or a coil, I think is all they call it, but plugs and coils. And so let's get into that. That's an 8. Now you don't have to remove this, but I'm going to try to make my life a little easier, to give me more space. There we go. And I'm not going to remove it completely, I'm just going to rotate it out of the way, and I need a different size socket apparently for the other side. That's odd. Okay. And it's not the next size down either, so I guess I will be going with a screwdriver. I just want to loosen it up so it'll turn just a little bit. There it goes. Perfect. Now we have 4 13mm bolts that hold the coil in. Anyway, 2 here and 2 here. The one's right behind the heater core lines there. See if we can get it with this. Two. 3. And there's 4. 4. Sit that right there. Magnetic tray for everything. All right. Okay. There is an electrical connector down here on this end, which I think once I get it free here, I get better access to. Maybe there's a harness right there too. Ain't much. Oh, the dipstick's in the way. That ain't helping. There we go. Plenty of room once you get past the dipstick. Alright, I can't really see it though still, so let's try to get it. Oops. Getting somewhere. There we go. Okay. There we go. Alright, now I can get where I can see it. Maybe. It's weird. Let me get a pick. Is that how that's supposed to work? I believe so. Okay. can't really see. It's in a weird spot. We got that out. Try some disconnect pliers. There we go, got it. Okay. That thing is massive. All right. All right, man, we got plugs to remove. Alright, I think I got it. Well, I definitely got it. Yeah, I'd say those were original, but I am stuck in there. I haven't come out because it's covered with oil. These Jeep only has 118 miles on, 118,000 miles on it, but that's pretty nasty looking. All right, we got new Champion replacements. They are supposed to be pre-gapped, so let's get these started. All right. Let me find a torque spec on those right quick. Alright, torque wrench set to 28 foot-pounds. There we go. Those are all torqued. Move some trash out of the way here. All right. As far as our new coil goes, it's the Astemo. That's the new name for Hitachi. There it be. Let me see if I can find you a part number if you're interested. Looks like Ida George Charles 0136. Ida George Charles 0136. Yes. That or chemicals, I don't know. Alright, we're gonna get the coil pushed back in here and get it plugged in before we get too stupid. Click, click, okay. Let's push it back where it belongs. A little further. Get some wires out of the way back here. Alright, I think. I gotta get them all on their spots here. We are not on that one. Came off back here. Well, you know what would be a neat invention? Would be individual coil packs. Alright, I think I'm on them all. It would appear as such. Now, how does this thing go down? Okay, maybe that's it. Alright, let me grab a bolt. Let's do maybe there it is. Alright, there's my two front ones. Okay, let's grab 13. this all back in. Let's give it a test start and see what happens. Six-speed manual, if you're wondering. Alright, we did that right. Alright, so let's get this back on, like so. Screwdriver on this side. There we go. 8mm over here. All right. All right. So there you have it. There's plugs and coil, or coils, whatever you want to call that, coil pack, on a 2006 Jeep Wrangler. Really easy job. And like I said, I moved this out of the way. You don't have to. It just makes it easier. As you can see, I got it right out and put the new one right in. But that's going to wrap this one up. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.